Are you tired of seeing inactive and incomplete listings? Well, I'm going to show you how to fix that directly on Seller Central. So stick around for a few moments and I'm going to show you how to fix inactive and incomplete listings in just a few simple steps. So stay tuned. Welcome back to the Sunken Stone YouTube channel, where we offer tips, tricks, and tutorials to improve your e-commerce strategy every week. So be sure to hit that red subscribe button. I'm Edgar Garcia from Sunken Stone, and today I'm going to show you how to fix incomplete and inactive listings. So let's get to it. Alright, so you can see we have a couple inactive listings, detail page removed, but today we're going to focus on inactive. So you see this one, it says the reason why it's inactive, but if you keep scrolling down, you can see you have no idea why it could be inactive. So it could be inactive for a variety of reasons. Sometimes it could be pricing, sometimes it could be mismatching information from what you put on your listing and versus what Amazon has on their catalog. It could also be because the product needs approval or because it's missing some important attributes. So to fix these, for the most part, is pretty easy. All you have to do is just click on the inactive, and then it's going to take you to this page where you can, update some information. So you see here, here's our product, the reason, pricing issue in this case, and here's a description. We detected a potential pricing error. So what this usually means is that the item is priced too high compared to the competition, and Amazon has some marketplace, like fair marketplace pricing rules. So what you want to do in this case is go to the actual, click through the ASIN, see where the competition prices everything. So you see here, seems like the lowest price is 185, 185.49, and let's see where we are. So you see the pricing is just way off. So in this case, our the pricing for this client is just too high, and they would probably end up losing money. But let's say you had better circumstances, you'd want to, you can either directly match the buy box price. In this case, it'll be 185.49, or you can match the lowest price. So in order to fix this, we're gonna have to, kind of, we're gonna have to bring down the price to, ballpark around, the competition. So let's set it at 190. So once you submit your changes, it could take up to 15 minutes. So let's go and take a look at another listing. So you see here, this one, we don't really have any information. So let's just go ahead and click through. So for this one, you can see here the reason approval required. We need approval to sell this. So in order to get approval, we just click through, hit request approval, and then sometimes it's going to ask you for, like an invoice where you bought this. So for example, we have one purchase invoice for products from manufacturer distributor. So in this case, the client will, provide an invoice from where they received this item, their distributor. And then here are the criteria. So dated on or after October 22nd, includes the name of the business, the name of the distributor, combined purchase of at least 10 units. And then, we can remove the price if you want. And then we add the invoice here, and then any comments that you can provide, and then, contact information, submit. And then it usually takes around 72 hours to get an item approved. In some cases it's been sooner. So let's go back and see any other inactive listings. This one's inactive because it's ineligible for seller fulfillment. So, depending on your circumstances as a seller and your health, you might, Amazon might remove the ability for you to sell through FBM. So, for this case, in this category, I think the seller had some issues and they had too many late shipments in this category. So the only option for them to sell this would be to convert to FBA. And if you'd want to go ahead and do that, you can just accept the label service, review the selection, and accept the terms. Let's see what else we've got. Try this one. Same thing here, approval required. So you're going to request for approval, provide an invoice from the manufacturer distributor, and then once that gets approved, your listing should be good to go. So another way to be able to see everything in, a list of all your incomplete listings, you can go to catalog here and then complete your drafts. And then it's going to bring you to this page where you can see and all your items completed with issues. And then you can see here where they are, labeled, they're kind of sorted out into different categories. So out of stock, ineligible for seller fulfillment, pricing issues, detail page removed, closed, and approval required. So you can also see your incomplete listings. These are usually listings where they're missing, vital information. So you can see here missing information, invalid info, and matching conflicts. So for missing info, this is, it's probably missing like a UPC, or it's missing like a main image. Usually like any of the vital information like title or bullets, description. And then in order to fix that, you just go to edit draft and then it'll take you to the listing, and then you can just, you can follow the exclamation points, and then everything highlighted in red is a requirement. So you can see this is a missing quantity and hard disk description, interface, and size. So invalid information. Let's go ahead and see what's in here. It's very similar to, missing information. So let's see what it says here. So you see here, it actually, in this case, it's actually a mismatching product, or Amazon is actually suggesting that you actually confirm that it's this actual product that is in their catalog. So if yes, you can just click this and, it'll kind of like fill in all the missing information, or you can return to form and add this information yourself. So you see here the Amazon basics cannot actually be used, or the name is actually incorrect. So all you got to do is just go ahead and fix that, save and finish, and your item should be good to go. So matching conflicts, kind of similar to what we saw earlier. So you can see here, edit draft, and then it's going to have a pop-up possibly. Yeah, we found the possible matching product. So you see here, all you have to do is just confirm that this is the actual product. Make sure that the quantities and the packing, the item count is the same. And then if it is, hit yes, my product. If not, return to form, and then, just fix whatever information you need to fix. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to fix inactive and incomplete listings. Thank you. Click the link below this video now and sign up for Flatfile Pro. Only the first 100 users that watch this video and register for Flatfile Pro will receive a 60-day trial. After registering, you'll be able to self-onboard or meet with an onboarding specialist that will walk you through how the tool works. So take a moment and click the link below now to finally put an end to inefficient processes and time-wasting tactics, and start enjoying and watching your business on Amazon flourish. So what's your next step? If you really want to level up your knowledge on flat files, then watch this video next. It's called the Ultimate Amazon Flat File Tutorial in 2022. And you'll learn insider secrets from me and CEO Adam Wheeler on everything you need to know about flat files in 2022. Just click on the video you see on your screen right now. I'm Edgar Garcia, and I'll see you there.